there, I'm Sarah Andrews-Williams from Vashon Island Sotheby's International Realty. Welcome to Vashon Lifestyle Home Tours. Let's take a look at this move-in ready single-family home very close to schools and town.
The home was built in 1999, 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. With this home, you get over 2,000 square feet of thoughtfully updated, move-in ready space to enjoy immediately. There's a lot of great flow on the first floor, perfect for entertaining. All 4 bedrooms are on the upper level. Each one has great views of the property. Here's the primary with the built-in fireplace, large walk-in closet, as we head out into the backyard, there's nearly half an acre. Great backyard space, ready for all of your rural lifestyle dreams. Vashon lifestyle at this home looks like exploring nature daily, hosting social gatherings year-round, enjoying grapes, apples, and other garden harvests, minutes from Vashon's top beaches, minutes from Vashon Town Center and schools, 15 minutes to either ferry. Thank you for joining us on this tour of 20421 87th Avenue Southwest. For more information or to set up a tour, contact either of the listing agents, Hillary Lamont and Mallory Preston Dorman. You can also contact me, Sarah Andrews-Williams, who can represent you as a buyer. Please like and subscribe for more Vashon Lifestyle Home Tours.